Questions 1. Which is not a part of vapour compression system? Option A, compressor. Option B, accumulator. Option C, absorber. Right answer is option C, absorber. Questions 2. 1 ton refrigeration equal to option A, 8,000 BTU jar. Option B, 12,000 BTU jar. Option C, 15,000 BTU jar. Right answer is option B, 12,000 BTU jar. Questions 3. Which refrigerant used in domestic air conditioner? Option A, R11. Option B, R12. Option C, R22. Right answer is option C, R22. Questions 4. Which instrument controlled the temperature of water in water cooler? Option A, thermostat switch. Option B, relay. Option C, overload protector. Right answer is option A, thermostat switch. Questions 5. Forced draft cooling tower is type of option A, natural draft cooling tower. Option B, mechanical draft cooling tower. Right answer is option B, mechanical draft cooling tower. Question 6. Thermostat sense the ellipsis ... in air conditioner. Option A, pressure. Option B, humidity. Option C, temperature. Right answer is option C, temperature. Question 7. Hygrometer is used to measure option A, dry bulb temperature. Option B, wet bulb temperature. Option C, both AB. Right answer is option C, both AB. Questions 8. Crankshaft is used in type of compressor. Option A, reciprocating compressor. Option B, centrifugal compressor. Option C, rotary compressor. Right answer is option A, reciprocating compressor. Questions 9. Which air conditioner is better for power saving? Option A, inverter AC. Option B, non-inverter AC. Right answer is option A, inverter AC. Questions 10. Fahrenheit is unit of option A, temperature. Option B, speed. Option C, pressure. Right answer is option A, temperature.